18 to 35% of people suffer from a disorder that causes them to constantly sneeze when they walk out into bright light after they've been indoors. If you don't experience this, you likely have no idea what I'm talking about. This disorder, known as the photic sneeze reflex, is a reflex usually triggered by sunlight, but artificial lights and camera flashes can also trigger off reflexive sneezes. It is thought to be genetic, so it's passed on in families, and you only need to get the gene from one parent in order to inherit the disorder. Research into why it happens is limited, understandably because research funding tends to go to more serious conditions. But the most common theory is that it happens due to the eyes and nose being connected by the trigeminal nerve. When the eyes have been in darkness and then are suddenly activated by light, this neurological signal may then cross with the signal for the nose that would normally be activated if we had an itchy nose, and therefore this causes the nose to respond to, and so you get the sneeze.